Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay guys, on this little tutorial here I'm going to talk a little bit about the crop tool. Now the crop tool is something that everybody's grown up with and we know exactly what it does. So what I'm going to demonstrate, and obviously basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to first, hold on one second, I'm going to show everybody where the crop tool is in Photoshop because the beginners don't know where it's at. It's right over here on your left hand side and the shortcut for that is C. So once you get your crop tool, all you basically do is click and drag. And the gray shows you what's going to be cropped out and the light shows you what's going to be left. So if I click, that is what's left, okay? So obviously you guys got that. What I wanted to show about the crop tool is the perspective crop tool. And it's in the same category as the crop tool right over here, but all you do is you click and drag, and obviously this picture is leaning just a little bit to the right. So I'm going to select the whole image like that, but you have to make sure that up over here where my cursor is, where it says perspective, you have to make sure that that is checked. Because once that's checked, you can go ahead and click one side, and one side is going to get moved over just like that. You can see right there. Nothing else is moved but this area. So you click, and it makes your photo straight up and down. Looks perfect. And you want to see the before and after. That's the before, and that's the after. So it's a very powerful tool. You might have to sacrifice a little image quality to use this tool, but overall it's very effective.